Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. So, as you can tell from my title, we're doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This is my favorite time of the month because it's when I get all my subscription boxes, and I just love opening them. It's almost like Christmas every single day. So I'm very excited for this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, which comes with 5 full-size items. They will start offering starting October, which people are signing up now, a new box called the Ultimate Box, where you'll get 8 full-size and typically 2 deluxe sizes, so a total for 10 items, which is really cool, and that will be $50. And then also starting October, for the regular Ipsy bag, it will be now $12 a month, but you'll be getting 10 sample or travel size items, which is really nice in my opinion. That kind of makes it more worthwhile in a way. Also, just so you guys know, starting next month, Ipsy will be doing now up to 5 add-on items. So if you like something extra in your box or your bag, you can get up to 5 items at a discounted rate, which they're typically $3 and $12. I'm not sure if it's going to change, but that's what it is at this time. And lastly, starting for October, we will be getting an option to actually customize 1 or 2 items per box and or bag. So I think that's a really neat option, and I hope other subscription companies start doing it as well, because Ipsy is really killing it when it comes to customizations and truly listening to their consumer. So let's get started and open her up. I didn't even break the seal. I wanted to make sure and open it on my video. Forgot to get a knife, using a trusty pen. So this is how the box comes. I do like how they have this nice little foam inside. Oh, you know guys, I've never noticed this. Do you guys see what it says? On the box it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." Because each and every one of us is unique in our own way, and we don't have to be like everyone else. Be unique. So that's really cool. Alright, so I'm putting this aside. Oh, nice. So here's our little card, and this month's theme is Find Your Light. That's actually a pretty cool theme. Oh, and it's telling us about the new upgrade starting October. And again, now we will be able to choose and customize 1 item starting the 24th for October, so that's great. But let's get going because I have to go to work. So the very first item I see is this Glam Glow. So this is a Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse. Tropical Cleanse. It's a daily exfoliating cleanser. I love the packaging. It's very nice, and this is huge. It's 5 fluid ounces. So, oh, it has a great scent. It smells so good, so fruity. Our next item is from Ciate, London. It's called Extraordinary Translucent Powder. All right. So, this is a lightweight finish according to this. Oh. This is reminding me of the one we got from Boxy. It's like not even half full. I honestly have loads of setting powders at this time, so I probably won't be using it. I'm gonna set it aside for a future giveaway. But I love the packaging, it's very cute. My next item is from Upto Skincare, and it's a pomegranate face mask. So I have so many masks right now. That's a lot. I've been getting almost a mask every month, so that's a lot. It's a very, very yellow, kind of mustardy in my opinion. It's sealed, so I can't smell it, but this looks very nice. Again, I might not open it because I've gotten a face mask almost every month in the last few months, so that's a little bit of overkill. My next item is a lipstick from El Maquia. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's called an anti-matter lipstick. Ooh, anti-matter. And it's in the shade Midnight. Oh, the packaging's nice. It's very lightweight though. It feels kind of cheap. It's a really bold red. I have tons of lipsticks right now, but I don't know. It's nice, don't get me wrong, it's nice. I like their lip liners that I got in a previous box, even though I wasn't excited, but it's not probably my preferred color. Red is, I'm really picky with reds, and I usually prefer liquid lipsticks only because they tend to last longer and wear better on me, and they stay on, they don't like, you know. Next, which I'm already pulling it out. Next is this awesome palette from Nomad Berlin. This is stunning. The packaging, can you see? The packaging is stunning here. It's a special edition for Ipsy, so it's like a, oh wow, look at this. It's gorgeous. This is really beautiful packaging, and so you guys know, it has all the colors in the very back, so that's really neat. It was, I guess, a palette made specifically for Ipsy. It's not sold in stores. And then you look at this, it has a nice matte cover, and look at the palette. Honestly, the colors are very, very pretty. Of it, majority have a little bit of a sheen, so I think most of them are a satin finish. Okay, so the palette says intense eyeshadow formula with extra fine pigments for a fierce color payoff, infused with hemp seed oil. That's awesome. I've never had that kind of product. To help energize and nourish your skin. 15 alternative shades inspired by their rebellious underground culture of Berlin before and after the wall. That's really cool. So, oh, and it's vegan and cruelty free, free of paraffins, oh, I can't pronounce this word. I'll type it below. And mineral oil. So that's actually really good. And I don't know if you guys noticed, it has, I don't know if you noticed, but it has a humongous mirror, so that's great. So I do have to cut my video short today. I just wanted to make sure and show you guys what I got. I will be filming another video and doing a try on of the eyeshadow palette. Today I just didn't have any time, and I have 2 or 3 more boxes coming, so I need to, like, you know, hurry up and not fall behind. I forgot to also mention, in every single one of our cards, it actually shows us the price retail, the retail price for each item. Now the eyeshadow palette says it should be a $37 value, even though it's not sold in retails, but I'm assuming maybe for this brand that's what it would have actually run, and it's a normal standard palette. The lipstick was $27. That's a little bit of an overkill in my opinion, because the container, the packaging feels very inexpensive in my opinion, so I don't know. The setting powder was $22. The upto skincare antioxidant mask was $36, and let's see, the Glam Glow was $34. So that's a really good value for your box. Overall, just currently looking at site, I actually like 4 out of the 5 products. Again, the only one I'm not necessarily excited for is the lipstick itself. The mask and the setting powder, they look great. Again, I'm going to save it most likely for a giveaway just because I don't want to be wasteful. But if it were a normal circumstance and I didn't have so much product or so many of these particular items of other brands, I would have been so for it in putting them on. So, but anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed my Ipsy box unboxing, plus the information at the beginning on the subscription and the 3 levels that they will be offering from now on, which is great. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below. What was your favorite item from this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Now, I will say I saw some people getting the Ofra palette. I kind of wish I had gotten that, but it's okay. I have plenty of others. It's perfectly fine. I love this eyeshadow palette, so I'm glad I got this. I'm really excited, and these colors are perfect for fall and especially Halloween, which Halloween is my favorite time of the year. So thank you guys so very much, and you guys have a wonderful day. Goodbye.